Hi everyone, Dr. LeMay here again for this week's Patient Wins. And we have a chiropractic patient to start off with here. It's a 38-year-old male. He had chronic severe mid-back pain, leg cramps, and fatigue. His pain level was like a 8 to 9 out of 10. 10 is like, take me to the hospital. And basically he would work anywhere from 8 to 16-hour work days, 6 days a week. So in 2 months, his pain level is now down to a 4 or 5, which is very tolerable, but at the same time, not all the way gone, but much better. He can function at work. He's self-employed, and his leg cramps and fatigue are gone. Now, we also have another patient over here, a male who's 47-year-old. He's a nutrition patient. Basically, he had chronic gas, acid reflux, hemorrhoids, and frequent urination. And it had been going on for like 10 plus years. In 6 months, or right about 6 months, he has no more gas or bloating. He has weight gain. His weight is pretty much normalized. And he has no more hemorrhoids, acid reflux, or frequent urination going on. So if you want to get on the Patient Win board, please give our office a call, and we'll see you next week on Patient Wins.